Alright guys, my spin on American chop suey here. I got a couple of things of hamburg. I want to put a lot of meat in there, and I got a couple of hot sausage. I'm going to render all that down, cook all that stuff, and then I got some of this chorizo, which is like a hot chorizo. This is already pre-cooked stuff. Well, Miss Molly. You want some of Daddy's cooking? You love Daddy's cooking. So I got the meat there, and I got a couple of green peppers, some onions, some celery, cut some celery up, and some mushrooms. And I got some white hominy, I like that. And I got some marinara sauce, and some potatoes. And we'll prep all this meat in the pans. All the meat, cook all the meat first. And then we'll get it in the sauce and get all the stuff all cut, and we'll bring you along as we go here. And I'm going to have extras. Going to be a nice meat sauce. And I got some panini, little stuff. I got another box of that if I need more, but I think that should be fine. And I'll do is put a whole bunch together and put in containers and freeze it. Oh, Miss Molly, you love Daddy's cooking. Yeah, I know you love my cooking. Miss Molly. Yeah, you love Daddy's cooking. Yeah, you love Daddy's cooking. Yeah, I know you do. Alright guys, looks like I'm going to use this pan. It's got higher sides, so I got the hamburger all done. I'm probably going to just use this pan, and this is all done. I'll pull this out of here into a container and throw the other stuff in there. Bring it back when I'm done with the other stuff. I like this pan because it's got higher sides on it. Makes it easier for me to render this stuff down. Alright, so I got this all rendered down and cooked. The sausage and the chorizo. We'll get that into a container, and then we'll throw the rest of the stuff in there and prep it. Alright, the next I'm going to do is the onions, mushrooms. We're going to kind of pre-cook them a little bit. Celery. And the green pepper. And let them cook, let them render down a little bit. Give the old how you doing, mama. Kind of pre-cook them a little bit, and we're ready to rock and roll the rest of the stuff. Give it a little beer. Check it up a notch, mama. Oh yeah, next level. Steve is cooking again, y'all. Oh man, yeah. Shit, yeah, he's cooking again. I'll kind of pre-cook that stuff a little bit. Yeehaw. Alright guys, so I got the hamburgers going in. The chorizo and sausage. Oh man, look at that. Yeehaw. All the stuff I rendered down. Onions and garlic and peppers and all that stuff. Wow. Can of hominy going in there. Oh, I like the hominy. If you don't like it, you don't have to put it. Can of tomatoes. Another can of tomatoes. And I got 4 cans of marinara. I might have to run out and get some more. I don't know yet. I want to make it nice and thick. Oh man, yeah, that's gonna be one. It's the American chop suey. It's my take on it. Man, dear. Oh man, I put one thick meat sauce there, man. Oh man, might have to run out and get some more sauce. Oh man, dear. Yum. And just put it on low and let it go. I could even put this stuff right in a crock pot and just let it go on low. Oh boy. Look at that. Put it on low and slow, mama. Yeehaw. Alright guys, so I got some water in here and I got the 3 boxes of pasta. Yeehaw. Guys, so I got the stuff all rinsed. I just have to mix it in with the thing. I got it off plate, mix it up, and put it in containers, and we'll be done. I kind of like to have it a little thick, you know. My stuff, I like to have it thick. Mix the stuff up. Oh man, gonna be some yummy, mama. Oh yeah. We'll go 4, 8, 12, 15, and that's going to be my second bowl. That's how I do it. I'll just freeze it and take it out for meals. I haven't made this in a long time, so I still got stuff in the basement from that other stuff I cooked. That's how I cook. And then I'll take it out and thaw it out and cook it for meals. Zap it. Our Real Workman Cook series. Oh, you want some? You love Daddy's cooking. I know, yeah, you love Daddy's cooking. You want some? You want a plate?